your boy Lando. I am for man, though. You know what it is. Hey, today's the what day is today? I think it's the 4th day. No, it's 5th day, I think. I don't know. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, it's 5th day, day 5. Day 5, you know what it is. We about to go get it in. We about to go murder the weight room. Today's leg day at that. We about to turn up today. I'm gonna see if I can get some recording, man. I'm gonna see if I can get some recording, man, because I'm going to the gym at rush hour. I don't like going to the gym at rush hour, because when it's rush hour, you gotta be waiting on different things. So, I might just run through it. I usually lose motivation during rush hour because I don't like waiting. And when I wait, all right, I'm just getting the minimum in and get up out of here. So that's what it is. Day 5. We're going hard still, to be honest, I didn't eat much today. Like I did work today. I brought my lunch. But I didn't bring in the ice. And for lunch, I had a smoothie. So I drank it for breakfast. But I did have a couple almonds and stuff like that. A little packets. I like a total of 3 packets. Then I had some hummus. And then I had, So that's all I had today. But we're about to go turn up. Y'all. Turn up with me. All right, y'all, here we are. We're about to do a quick 5-minute warm up. So all you do, you put the treadmill up on the highest possible incline, just backpedal for 5 minutes, and that's it. And as you can see, the gym is full, and I don't know what to do. So what am I going to do? Here we are. I don't even use this machine right here, but because the gym is so full, I have to add something in for leg. And one thing I didn't check, look, you guys are going to laugh. I never checked to see how much weight in there. Oh! This thing was so heavy. Oh my gosh. If you pay attention, they had all the weights in there. So this is why I struggled a little bit. Don't laugh at me. So I had to take it out. And I went at it again, and I won. Right? I think I did. I think I won. There was a lot of weights in there, guys. Yeah, but this is what happens when the gym is full. You just start doing stuff you don't need to do. Look at this. Look at it. It's a lot of people. Everything, all the machines I need to use, somebody's using it. Yep. I'm back again. Back again. I did it correct this time because I took out the weights. So I finally got a squat machine. I finally can do some squats. So of course, got to put my belt on to get right. Now I'm going to do some squats. What I do with my squats, pretty much I think I did like 10 sets of 10. I started from where I am now, and I run it all the way up to 225, and I run it right back down. So 10 sets of 10. It might have been more than 10, to be honest. I just was doing squats because pretty much that's all that was in the gym to do. Like everything else that I wanted to do was taken. So yeah. Then I do a little, I don't even know what you call these. I jump and squat right after I do the squat. Trust me, it feels good. You're going to really feel it. You're going to really sweat too. All right, guys, as you can see, everything else was taken that I wanted to do. So yeah, I tried to do some abs. I think I used this machine like once before, and I like how it made me feel, so I hop back on it. It might not look like much, but it's doing something. It's a wrap for me, y'all. The gym was too full. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't out-work out everybody, but I did just enough. But I couldn't do everything I wanted to do, so I just did straight squat. That's it. I did like maybe 10 different sets of squat, if not more. It's all good. You might make up for when we get home. No, we ain't. I'm tired.